Good morning, everyone. Today I want to show you the extent of the kind of repairs we can do here at Cda Wheels. So I've got right behind me here, there's a couple of them I'm going to show you, but this rig behind me is a 2009 Dodge Ram 2500. It's got the 5.7 liter Hemi engine in it, and I'm going to show you the kinds of things that we can do here. See, as we approach the vehicle, we've actually got the engine out of it. And the 5.7 liter in these years, 09 through I think it was 11 or 12, maybe even 13, they had a potential issue that could happen to the cam shaft, and because of a lifter sticking. I'm going to show you that right here. You can see the lobes on this cam should look like this, kind of nice and smooth. And look at this one. This one has got a giant groove in it, and the reason it's got that groove is because it's just been wearing and wearing and wearing on a stuck lifter, basically. So this particular vehicle, you can see we've got pistons out of it and basically got it completely disassembled. More parts over here on the floor. But anyway, this one is going to basically have a more or less rebuilt motor in it, and should end up being a very, very nice vehicle. But that's just kind of an example of the extent of the repairs that we can do here and that we do on a regular basis. For example, we've got early 2000s Subaru Forester, might be a 99, I can't remember. But anyway, these Subarus in those years from 98 till really 2010 had a 2.5 liter, most of them. And you probably, if you're a Subaru fan, you're probably aware of the fact that the head gaskets kind of go out in them fairly frequently. So this particular one is actually a customer car. Head gaskets had been done on this one actually, and it was ready to go, but something else failed on it. They lost oil, and basically the engine went bad. So rather than redo that engine again, we purchased engines from Foreign Engine in their office in Coeur d'Alene. And this is one of those engines. It's a 2 liter, a little different size than the ones that come in them, but these 2 liters don't have the history of head gasket problems that the 2.5 liters do. So basically we will put this engine in this car. We'll end up changing out some of these parts because all of this came out of Japan. They've got a program over there where they recycle the cars at very low miles. These engines come with a 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty, and just the intake parts don't fit. So we'll change that. We'll put new timing belt and water pump and everything on it, and then they'll be starting over with a pretty fresh engine in their Subaru. So just another example of the kinds of repairs that we can do here at Cda Wheels.